Bye guys, have fun! All right, Miles. It's very violent here today. Ow! How'd you come back to life? Hey, buddy. You okay? Sorry I cut your arms off. Ooh, it's a beautiful day, but it's awfully cold out. I can see my breath. Are you excited for hot chocolate, kid? Oh my gosh. Whoa! Whoa! Look at the inside of that. It's amazing.
No.
That looks great. All right, buddy, you're getting cold? Yeah. All right, we can go home. Did you find another Nerf bullet on the ground? We're going to be finding those for a long time, huh?
Oh, they feel for a long time.
Yeah. You know, I haven't walked over to Starbucks in months. It's been a long time. I used to do that almost every single day. Maybe 3 or 4 times a week. Not every single day. All right, man. After we drink our coffee and hot chocolate, what do you want to do next?
Go in.
What?
Maybe play some video games?
Ooh, video games are great. I'm getting cold. It's time to go in.
Yep.
All right.
Alyssa.
Miles is starting karate this week. It's all online, so we had to order him a gi, and it came. It's kind of cool, and I'm kind of excited. I think he's really excited about it too. I think he's gonna try it on. It looks a little bit big.
Wait,
You need your belt.
is this a white belt?
Yeah, it's your white belt.
Came with my white belt?
Yeah, it was in the package. You know how to do it?
No.
If we go like this. Wait, I want to see. Wow, show me a kick.
Yeah.
Show me a punch.
That.
Ow. Amanda, is there something on my back?
Has you got a new scarf?
Where is it?
No, I think you got a new backpack.
Come here.
Stop moving.
Okay. Whoa, I'm dizzy. Oh, jeez. Get him.
Daddy, not many.
Kid fight. Ah.
Chicken fight.
You just want it? Okay. Oh, this is easier when you were littler. Yeah. Ready? There we go. Oh, God, that's hard. Miles, can you come back here? Come here. Come here.
What? Oh, okay.
Ew.
Thank you.
That's not where socks go.
Yeah, we're giving you frozen peas for dinner.
Have some.
Ow.
Ow. Look at that karma. out of
I
it.
didn't do anything.
Mistake.
She's gone.
What are you doing?
I didn't
It's
do
so raw.
anything.
It's not ready yet.
It's the only way to eat it.
It's gonna be so good. Just wait.
It's good
You
now.
ruined it. What, electricity?